Welcome everyone. We are discussing theorem of total probability. Today through this video, I will discuss extension of theorem of total probability. That is Bayes' theorem. What is Bayes' theorem? You look. Let S be a sample space and E1, E2, E3 and En are a mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. So, it is for total probability also. A is any event which occurs with E1, E2, En. Then P E1 by A equals to P E1 into P A by EI. P EI into P A by EI. And denominator is P EI into P A by EI, I equals to 1 to N. It is general. So, if there are three events, then P E1 by A, P E1 by A, this is P E1 into P A by E1, and this is P E1, P A by E1, P E2, P A by E2, P E3 into P A by E3. So similarly P E2 by A. So listen, we have already proved from total probability. So same restriction. So we have already proved PA equals to PE1, PA by E1, PE2 into PA by E2 plus PE3 into PA by E3. So we have already discussed it. Now what is PE1 by A? PE1 by A. From definition, P E1 by A equals to P A intersection E1 by PA. Now what is PA intersection E1? So PE1 into PA by E1. From multiplication probability, theorem of probability, so this one is PE1 by A. And PE2 by A, then PEN by A. So denominator is PA. So this one is extension. So PE1 by A. What is PE1 by A? So we will discuss it with the help of example. So look, there are two bags containing 2 white and 3 red, and 4 white and 5 red balls. One bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn. The ball drawn found to be white. What is probability that it is from bag 1 and it is from bag 2? Try to understand. So we have already proved PW, that is probability of white ball. So by this theorem, for 2 it is up to E2. Now look, this white ball may be from bag 1 or may be from bag 2. Here it is stated that a white ball is drawn. So this white ball may be from bag 1 and may be from bag 2. So what is the probability of drawing this ball from bag 1? So from bag 1 it is PE1 by A. White ball from bag 1 and PE2 by A. Find the probability of drawing. It is given that ball is white. So ball is white. This white ball may be from bag 1 or from bag 2. So PE1 by A, this is white ball from bag 1, and PE2 by A, this is white ball from bag 2. So this is Bayes' theorem. Bayes' theorem. So this one is general. E1, E2, En are n mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So this is PA. This is PA, total probability. So white ball from bag 1 by total probability. So this is Bayes' theorem. So application of Bayes' theorem. So it will be clear if we take some examples, if we solve some problems. Now application. So two similar problem. A bag contains 2 white, 3 red balls, and bag 2 contains 4 white, 5 red balls. One ball is drawn from one of the bag and found to be red. Find the probability that it is from bag 2. From total probability, we have found probability of white ball. But here you have to find white ball it is given that ball drawn is white. So it may be from bag 1 or it may be from bag 2. So what is probability that it is from bag 2? And second one, we saw this one. This is for 3. Earn 1 contains 2 white, 1 black, 3 red balls. So 1, 2 white, 1 black, 3 red. So earn 1. This is 2, 3 white, 2 black, 4 red balls. And this is earn 3. So 3 white, 4 red. This is 4 white, 3 red, and 2 red. This is 4 white, 3 black. So listen again. So 2, 1, 3. 3, 2, 4. 4, 3, 2. Now 3 bags. One urn is selected at random, one bag is selected at random, and 2 balls are drawn. If chosen balls happens to be red and black, what is the probability that both comes from bag 2? From bag 2. So first we find total probability. So how many bags? 3 bags. So E1 equals to event of selecting bag 1, E2 event of selecting bag 2, E3 event of selecting bag 3. So 3 bags, so they are equally probable, so E3. So this is 1 by 3. So sum of them is 1. This is first observations. Now we have to define one event associated with E1, E2, E3. So what is event? You look, if chosen ball happens to be red and black, 2 balls are drawn. So chosen balls happens to be red and black. So A equals to event that balls drawn are 1 red and 1 black. So we define an event associated with E1, E2, E3. Now P A by E1. So 2, 1, 3. So total 6. You have to take 2, 6 C2. And this is probability of drawing red and black balls. So how many red balls? So 3. So this is 3C1 into and 1 black, 1C1, 5, 6C2. 3C1, 1 red, 1 black, 1C1. Total is 6. So 3 into 1. So this is 3 by 15. So PA by 1, 3 by 15. So P A by E2, we calculate PA by E2. So PA by E2, probability of drawing 1 red and 1 black from bag 2. So 4 to 6, 3, 9. So this is 9C2, 9C2, and this is 4C1, 1 red and 2 black, 2C1. So 8, 4 into 2 is 8, and 9C2, 9 into 8 by 2. So this is 36, 8 by 36. So this is 2 by 9. Now PA by E3, A by E3. So from 1 red and 1 black from bag 3, 7 to 9. So this is 9C2. So 2C1, 1 red out of 2, 1 black out of 3. So 6 by 36. So this is 1 by 6. So we are getting PA by E1, PA by E2, PA by E3. So what is total probability? So now total probability, that is PA, PE1 into PA by E1, PE2, PA by E2, plus PE3, PA by E3. So this is total probability. So this is 1 by 3 and this is 3 by 15, that is 1 by 5. This is 1 by 5. This is 1 by 3 into 2 by 9. 1 by 3 into 1 by 6. So 1 by 3 common. 1 by 5, 2 by 9. This is 1 by 6. So this is total probability. Now, what is Bayes' theorem? So look at the language. What is the probability that both balls comes from bag 2, urn 2? So E2 is from bag 2. So we have to calculate E1 by A. P from urn 2, E2 by A. E2 by A. So what is probability of white ball from bag 2? So this is PE2 by PA by E2. So probability of white ball from bag 2 by total probability. So by total probability. This is Bayes' theorem. Probability of white ball from bag 2 by total probability. PE2 by A. It is, you have to find probability of drawing 1 red and 1 black from bag 2. That is why PE2 by PA. Now what is PE2? 1 by 3, A by E2. So what is A by E2? A by E2 is 2 by 9. And what is PA? 1 by 3 common. 1 by 5, 2 by 9 plus 1 by 6. So 1 by 3 is cancelled out. So 2 by 9 and 5, 9, 6. 5, 9, 6. So 18 into 5, 90. 90 is LCM. 6, 9, 18, so 90. So this is 2 by 9 by 90 LCM. So 18 plus 20 plus 15. So finally you are getting 2 by 9 into 90 by 35, and this is 18, 3, 53. So 20 by 53. 20 by 53 is final answer. So this is problem of 6 marks problem. Now it is to your modern syllabus, to the latest syllabus of CBSE, it will be of 5 marks. So look, it is extension of total probability. Find total probability, then PE2 by A. Probability of drawing probability of drawing A, that is 1 red and 1 black, by total probability. Next problem. Now you consider one more problem. This is very simple problem. An insurance company issued 3,000 scooters, 4,000 cars and 5,000 trucks. Issued insurance for the probability of accident involving a scooter, car and trucks are given. One of the insured vehicle met with an accident. Find the probability that it is from scooter, it is from car. So you have to find first total probability. So you have to define event E1. Event that scooter is selected. E2, car. Insured vehicle is scooter. Event that insured vehicle is a scooter. Insured vehicle is a car. And number 3, insured vehicle is truck. Now they are of different in number, so they are not equally probable. So you cannot say E1 equals to 1 by 3. So E1, 3,000 by 7 and 5, 12,000. So 3 by 12. So PE2, 4 by 12. PE3, 5 by 12. PE3 is 5 by 12. So 5,000 by 12,000. So 3, 4, 7 plus 5, 12 by 12. So this is 1. Now we have to define an event associated with E1, E2, E3. So look, one of the insured vehicle meet with an accident. So A equals to event that insured vehicle meet with an accident. So PA by E1, it is directly given. Accident in scooter, 0.02. PA by E2, 0.03. PA by E3, so 0.04. So what is probability of accident? So this is total probability. PE1, PA by E1, PE2, PA by E2. I have already stated, if it is problem of board, you have to write this step. So now put PE1, 3 by 12 into 0.02. So this is 4 by 12 into 0.03. 5 by 12 into 0.04. So 1 by 12 common, 0.06, 0.12 plus 0.20. So 20, this is 3238. So 0.38 by 12. 0.38 by 12. Now listen. Find the probability that accident is from scooter. So scooter, this is E1. So P E1 by A. So P E1 into PA by E1 by PA. So what is PE1? PE1. So this is 3 by 12. And what is PA? 0.38 by 12. 0.38 by 12. So calculate. So 12 cancel out. 3 by PE1 into, A by E1. What is A by E1? 0.02. Otherwise it is greater than 1. So this is 3 into 0.06 by 0.38. So 6 by 38. So 3 by 19. 3 by 19. So it is by scooter. Now if you find by car, then you have to find PE2 by A. So write formula, put the values, you get PE2 by A. So this is very simple problem. Now I consider one more problem. We have already considered this problem in theorem of total probability. Now look, there are two bags, bag 1 and bag 2. So 3 red, 4 black, and this is 4 red, 5 black. Now look at the language. One ball is transferred. Bag is not selected. One ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. Then a ball is drawn from bag 2. So 4 plus 5 plus 1. So how many balls? 10 balls. From second bag, a ball is drawn and found to be red in color. Second ball is drawn from bag 2 and found to be red in color. So what is the probability that transfer ball is black? So look, we are transferring one red ball or one black ball. So what is the probability that transfer ball is black in color? Now E1, event of transferring, we have already considered event of transferring one red ball. E2, event of transferring one black ball. So PE1, obviously PE1, 3 by 7, PE2, 4 by 7. No confusion here. Total is 1. Now one ball is transferred. It may be black or it may be red. So this is already taken E1 and E2. Now total ball in bag 2 is 4 plus 5 plus 1, that is 10. So we define an event associated with E1 and E2. So what is event? Ball drawn is found to be red. So event that a red ball is, suppose this is R, a red ball is drawn from bag 2 after transferring one ball from bag 1. So P R by E1, R by E1. Probability of red ball from bag 2. So how many? 10 C1. When red ball is transferred, so red ball 4, so 1 is increased, so 5 C1 by this, so this is half. Probability of getting red ball when red ball is transferred, so PR by E2. Probability of drawing red ball when black ball is transferred, so this is 4 by 10. So this is 4 by 10 and this is 5 by 10. Same LCM. So we have already discussed it in previous class. R by E2, drawing red ball when black ball is transferred. So total ball is increased, red ball is not increased. So now what is probability of red ball? So this is total probability. PE1, PR by E1, PE2, PR by E2. Look. So put the values. What is PE1? 3 by 7. R by E1, 5 by 10. PE2, 4 by 7. R by E2, 4 by 10. So 16 plus 15. 31 by 70. So 31 by 70. Now look, find the probability that transfer ball. So one ball is transferred, that is red, this is E1, and second one is black, this is E2. Transferred ball from 1 to 2 is black. Then one red ball is drawn. So you have to find E2 by R. E2 by R. Red ball from bag 2 under the assumption that transfer ball is black from 1 to 2. So this is PE2, P R by E2 by PR. So now look, put the value PE2. So this is PE2, 4 by 7. And PR by E2, this is 4 by 10, and this is 31 by 70. So 16 by 31. 16 by 31 is the required answer. So up to this is theorem of total probability, and this one is extension. Find the probability that transfer ball is black. Transfer ball is black. So transfer ball may be black or red. Red is E1, so E2 by R. Black ball is transferred, then from back to red ball is, we have to find red ball. So today we have discussed Baye'S theorem and its simple application. So these are simple application, but most important for board problem also for Wbjee and JEE Main. I will take 2 more classes for typical type of problem of Baye'S theorem, moderate problem also. So thank you for today.